Hi, I'm Jo from J.H.Leather and welcome to my 6,000 subscriber giveaway video! So, as the name suggests, I've reached 6,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel and I am so happy about it. I didn't think that the channel would take off as it has done, and I just wanted to take the time to thank every single one of you for watching my videos and for subscribing to the channel. And so I've teamed up with the guys over at Abbey England and I will be giving away this set of stitch markers that you can see in the video. They were also featured on my recent reviews video, link up here should you want to see that. So to enter, there is a link in the description below. There's a few different ways that you can enter, and the competition is open worldwide, so anyone can enter. And it's going to be open for about 3 weeks, and then a winner will be picked at random and contacted via email, so make sure to check your junk folders in case the emails end up there. But yes, good luck to everyone who enters, and thank you all once again for supporting the channel and subscribing, and good luck. See you in the next video.